Right, what number is this?
This is cylinder 4. This is the one that had the valve kiss the piston. I'm just going to get it down and get the bearing. Okay, here's the lower half of the bearing. And that's not even bad. So that's promising.
And that's...
The crank looks pretty good.
Well, you want to knock that one out.
Ooh, there's a big garf in there. That's a big garf. That's deep enough this thing might have to get turned. Look at that. That's big.
Oh, there we go.
All right.
Can't miss that one. So go ahead and knock that one out real quick.
Yeah.
That way you just...
Let's see if I can push it. Hand.
Almost.
Got it?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Here's number 4. I mean, nothing too crazy. Excessive carbon, obviously, but that's because that thing was leaking compression and getting fuel in there, and it's not sealing. But the piston isn't broken or fractured. But I mean, not as bad as you would think. But it was a light smooch. It wasn't a bang bang. Ooh, no, that's good. Nothing down to brass or copper or babbitt or anything beaten up. There you go. And we got one more here. Put that down there for now. Bag those babies up. And that looks a little gross, but we'll see. Okay, let me get this. Here, just take that and put it down. It's fine right now.
No, not something that's on. It's almost there.
Okay, grab that. And you can see there's a little mark there. But not, and there's some right here too, but not as bad as that one.
You knocking that out?
Yep. Maybe. Keep missing. Jeez!
Almost.
Ow!
Watch your finger.
That's my finger.
Don't worry, he doesn't need it. About to give birth here.
Jesus. There you go. All right. That one.
Oop. What do you think? What do you think, Captain?
Not terrible. It's a little bit worn on that one side, but that could be when it was machined too. It could have been machined with a little bit of a crown in it.
Yeah.
So it's no big deal. So let's just go ahead and cut.
Nuts over there.
There's one.